Hello everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'm gonna cook today a Christmas dinner for you guys. I'm gonna cook a lamb roast in the oven. So guys, please watch my video till the end. It might be helpful for you guys to cook a Christmas dinner for your family on Christmas Day. Right, the lamb roast, you need what you need for the lamb roast to cook in the oven today. So you need a whole lamb leg, which is you can see a whole lamb leg, and we need some broccoli, a tomato, potato, garlic and red pepper, and guys, we got some fresh chili as well, so 2 kinds of fresh chili, and we need some onion, lemon. I've got some paprika and tandoori powder and some salt, and got some ginger and black pepper, which is I'm gonna mix this all three in this oil to marinate the lamb leg. Right there, I'm gonna make some cut on this lamb leg so I can marinate them and make sure, I'm gonna make sure all of the marinade, which is the paprika and the ginger and the garlic, salt, so make sure it goes all into the meat so we can get some more taste out. Right guys, so I'm gonna mix them all in this oil. So salt, paprika and the rest, so I'm gonna mix them, like make sure you mix them properly so you don't get any like unmix it in the oil. So after that, I'm gonna put this on the lamb leg to marinate my lamb leg. I'm gonna pour some of this marinade on my lamb leg. So I'm gonna leave this bit for the rest of the right. When you pour this, guys, make sure you massage the meat properly. So make sure all of this marinade goes in these cuts so you can get like a proper taste out of this. So you can see I'm massaging. Right, cut a few tomato. Guys, make sure you get a wine tomato because it's more tastier than normal tomato. This normal tomato, it doesn't taste like, it doesn't have a taste, so wine tomato is more tastier. So I'm going to chop some tomato. Tomato is chopped. And then onion. So don't slice your onion really thin, so make it a bit bigger size. So that's onion. Right, chop your tomato. Make sure you do them all the same size so it doesn't, it cooks at the same time as well. So if you cut them at the same size, they will all cook at the same time as well. So if you make one bigger and one smaller, it cooks in different times. So some of them get cooked and then another one will be raw. Chop your pepper. Right guys, put your broccoli. So I've chopped all the potatoes and everything, so I'm gonna put my marinade, which is left some from the meat. So I'm gonna add this on this, and then easy. Marinate this as well. Guys, when you marinate your meat, make sure you leave it for like at least a couple of hours. So leave it in the fridge for a couple of hours and then cook it after that. So I'm gonna leave this all for a couple of hours in the fridge, and this one as well, so and the marinade can stick to the meat and all of this vegetable as well, so you can get some more taste out of it. Right, when you have a time in between the marinade, and then you can wash your dishes like this. So I come back after a couple hours, so my marinade is ready, and you can see everything looks so nice and yummy. So I'm sure you guys know how nice this look like, and obviously when this is cooked it will be as nice as it looks. So I'm gonna squeeze a few lemon on it. Guys, don't pour any water in this, okay? Because you get enough water from tomatoes and all of the vegetable. So I'm gonna squeeze a lemon in there, like nice to get some juice. There you go. Right now I'm gonna wrap this up. Wrap this up. So put aluminium foil like properly all around, so you can try to keep the air inside, so the water not get dried out. And then right, okay, you can see the lamb leg is ready. So the oven is hot. I've turned it on early on, so it's hot already. So I'm gonna put this up in the oven for an hour. So I come back after an hour to see how this is. I'm gonna make some salad. So I'm gonna make some salad till my meat will cook, and then my salad will be ready by then. So guys, when you have like family coming around, don't panic. Just do your job. So make sure by the time you meat cooking, and then you can make your salad and, you know, wash your dishes in between. Right, my salad is chopped, so I'm gonna design them for you. It's easy. There you go, salad ready. Right, salad, I've chopped all the salads, so I'm gonna add a little bit of olive, pickle, and so this is gonna make your salad more tastier. So you can see how beautiful is this salad looks like. Right guys, so I'm gonna turn the oven off. Let's see what we're gonna get out of the oven. I'm sure this is ready, and I'm gonna open it to see. Wow, look, and this is ready. Right, take this out. Wow, so heavy. I wasn't expecting this to be this heavy. So now I'm gonna put the potatoes, the veg, and honestly, this is the best Christmas dinner you can make it. And it's so nice, yummy, and it will be as tasty as you can imagine. It's so nice. You can see how colorful and how beautiful is this look like. Imagine on Christmas Day you get this plate of food on your table. Look at that. Wow. I'm feeling so hungry now. Right guys, food is ready. So I can't wait to eat this food. And I'm gonna have a potato. Yes, Daddy, I'm gonna have a potato first. And a bit of this lamb meat. Wow. Guys, you can see it's just, oh my god. Fork is not strong enough. Let me get from this side. Whoa. I can't wait. It's gone all over. Oh my god. It's so nice and tasty. Honestly. You can see how juicy is this gum.